If your car hesitates, jerks, or shifts rough between gears, don't panic yet. Many drivers immediately assume their transmission is failing, but the truth is that in many cases, the problem is caused by small maintenance issues that can be fixed cheaply. According to automotive service data, nearly 60% of transmission complaints are related to fluid condition, sensors, or driving habits rather than internal damage. Japanese mechanics are famous for keeping vehicles running smoothly for hundreds of thousands of miles, and they rely on simple but extremely effective techniques to restore transmission performance. In today's video, I'm going to reveal 6 Japanese secrets that can make your transmission shift like new again without expensive repairs. Some of these tricks are so simple that most drivers completely ignore them. Let's get started. Secret number 1. Precision transmission fluid conditioning. One of the biggest secrets used by Japanese technicians is maintaining perfect transmission fluid condition, rather than simply waiting for the official service interval. Transmission fluid doesn't just lubricate gears, it also controls hydraulic pressure that determines how smoothly the transmission shifts. Over time, heat and friction break down the fluid while microscopic clutch particles contaminate it. According to automotive maintenance studies, about 90% of automatic transmission failures are linked to overheating or degraded fluid. Japanese mechanics often inspect transmission fluid every 20,000 to 30,000 miles. By replacing or refreshing the fluid early, they maintain proper viscosity and hydraulic pressure inside the transmission. This keeps clutch engagement smooth and prevents harsh gear changes. Many transmission specialists report that fresh, clean fluid can reduce shift shock by up to 40%, instantly making an older transmission feel significantly smoother. Secret number 2. The gentle warm-up driving technique. Another simple but powerful secret practiced by many Japanese drivers is allowing the transmission to warm up gradually before aggressive driving. When the vehicle is cold, transmission fluid becomes thicker and doesn't flow through the hydraulic circuits as efficiently. If you accelerate aggressively right after starting the car, the transmission clutches engage harder and experience extra wear. Japanese technicians recommend driving gently for the first 3 to 5 minutes, keeping engine RPM low, and allowing fluid to circulate fully through the torque converter and valve body. This allows internal seals and valves to reach their proper operating condition. Fleet vehicle studies have shown that transmissions driven gently during warm-up can last up to 30% longer compared to those that are driven aggressively immediately after startup. Secret number 3. Throttle relearning technique. Modern automatic transmissions rely heavily on electronic throttle input and adaptive shift programming. Over time, the transmission control module learns your driving habits, but sometimes it adapts incorrectly, especially if the car has been driven aggressively or by multiple drivers. Japanese technicians often perform a throttle relearning drive cycle to reset the shift behavior. This involves driving at steady speeds, applying gradual acceleration, and allowing the transmission to shift through all gears smoothly so the control module recalibrates clutch pressure and timing. Many drivers notice smoother shifts after performing this relearning process because the system recalculates the ideal shift points. Automotive diagnostic studies suggest that improper adaptive learning can cause shift timing errors of up to 15%. Which is why recalibration can dramatically improve shifting smoothness without replacing any parts. Secret number 4. Checking engine and transmission mounts. One of the most overlooked reasons for harsh shifting is worn engine or transmission mounts. These mounts are designed to hold the powertrain securely while absorbing vibration when gears engage. When they wear out or crack, the engine and transmission can move excessively during gear changes, which creates the feeling of a rough or jerky shift. Automotive repair data suggests that about 15% of vehicles diagnosed with rough shifting actually have worn mounts rather than transmission damage. Japanese mechanics frequently inspect mounts before recommending transmission repairs because replacing a worn mount can instantly reduce the shock you feel during gear changes. In many cases, drivers believe their transmission is failing when the real problem is simply excessive movement in the powertrain assembly. Secret number 5. The hidden transmission control module reset. One of the most interesting secrets used by Japanese technicians is performing a transmission control module reset after certain maintenance procedures. Over time, the control module stores adaptive shift data based on old fluid conditions. When fresh fluid is added or repairs are made, the old data can cause the transmission to shift improperly. Resetting the system clears these learned values and allows the transmission to relearn optimal shift timing. Many mechanics do this using diagnostic tools, but some vehicles allow a manual reset procedure involving key cycles and specific driving patterns. After the reset, the transmission recalibrates itself and often begins shifting much smoother within the next few driving cycles. This technique is rarely mentioned to customers, yet it can dramatically improve transmission behavior without replacing any mechanical parts. Secret number 6. Valve body cleaning through controlled fluid circulation. Inside every automatic transmission is a complex hydraulic control system called the valve body, which directs fluid pressure to different clutch packs to change gears. Over time, varnish buildup and tiny debris particles can slow down valve movement that may cause delayed shifts or sudden jerks during gear changes. Japanese transmission specialists sometimes perform a controlled fluid circulation cleaning method, where fresh fluid is gradually introduced while the transmission cycles through all gears. Cleaning the system restores proper hydraulic response, which allows gears to engage more smoothly and precisely. By using these Japanese maintenance secrets, you can often restore smooth shifting and extend the life of your transmission for many more years. If you found these secrets helpful and want to keep your car running like new, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more professional car secrets.